Today I'm going all the way back.
Good morning. Welcome to an exciting vlog. We are going to Japan tomorrow, which is very exciting. Today I have a lot of things to do. I start work at 12. I want to wash my car. I have to go to IKEA to return some things. I think that's all I have planned. Tomorrow I have a lot of things planned as well. Our flight tomorrow is at 11:50 p.m. so we'll probably get to the airport at 9. I just came back from IKEA, returned some things, got a gift voucher, ate a hot dog, and I have just been to Kmart and have gotten myself and Jackson neck pillows. I don't know if this is stupid. I think this will be good. We are off to Japan today. Our flight is at 12 o'clock tonight and I finished packing. Here are the toiletries that I'm bringing on the plane. Just has my toothbrush and face wash and stuff in it. And what else? Luggage all packed, ready to go. Helena helped me pack it because I wasn't very good at it. And then this is what I've got in my carry-on. I've got a puffer, I've got a sweater, my bag with my passport and stuff, and then a technology bag with my iPad, AirPods, and chargers and stuff. But I'm getting my nails done at 11, so I might go to the Kmart there. So I'm just waiting until I have to leave. I'm back home from my big adventure, got my nails done, and it was a very stressful experience. I asked for French tip. To be fair, I was a bit confused going in, didn't know what I wanted. Then I settled on French tip and the shape just wasn't right. So I just told her, let's just do chrome. So now I have these chrome nails, which they're cute, but in certain lights they turn green and it's giving holographic and Shrek. But that's okay. They don't look too bad. But I'm gonna have a shower now, wash my hair so it's nice and fresh for the plane. It's so windy. There's someone kite surfing here. I've never seen anyone kite surfing here though.
I have a few times.
I've seen them further down the other way.
You could jump that thing. Do you reckon he's gonna try and jump it? Oh, I thought he was gonna try and jump it.
That would be wild. We thought he was gonna try and jump a rock wall, but he didn't. Jackson's finished packing. We have a good amount of space in his suitcase for stuff we want to buy because mine's pretty full. Might not be pleasant.
It'll be fun.
It's really windy.
Ash never wants to go on walks and looks for every excuse possible.
Oh, it's too windy today.
Packing.
You finished packing. We're gonna go on a walk and then we're gonna get Munja pizza for dinner. I'm not joking. This is a valid excuse.
Yeah, but I've actually forgotten her.
Bit squishy.
Yeah, I think so.
This. They work.
Yeah, they work.
Oh, really? Because I think our credit card has. No, Burger King has a bathroom. We're out on the town.
I think we just got up.
Looking for dinner.
I'm hungry.
Starving. We've got a little rice ball. Absolutely delicious.
Goods.
Do you want a bite? So good.
It's just honey.
Okay, what are they actually called? Twin Big Cream Puff. We've heard these hyped up for the last 3 years from the boys, and we're
I've had one every night.
Cool. You haven't gotten the cream yet.
I
I did.
I did a big bite.
Yeah.
Okay.
It's really good.
This is delicious.
It's so good.
I really thought it was going to be a letdown from the
No,
hype.
I knew it was gonna be like light and fluffy. It's so yum.
I'm saying, Ash, remember we went to the baseball thing in Osaka?
We're going out for coffee. Here's the outfits. Jackson. Lachlan's ready to go.
He was ready days ago.
That's a bit sweetie.
We're back at the hotel from coffee. I think we're just like gathering our stuff. We forgot our Wi-Fi modem, so we're gonna go get it. And I'll show you the room when I get back as well. We're on the 15th floor, which is the highest. This is what it looks like when you leave the lift. And this is like just all open. And then that's all the way down. And our room is here. It's like such a nice view and everything. Here's our little room. The little bunk beds. It's actually a very decent sized room. Like everyone,
Especially for Japan.
yeah, I wonder if like this is gonna be our biggest room.
Like, I was genuinely really surprised.
Yeah. There's this little kitchenette nook, a little mirror, and this is the bathroom. Lily and I are gonna try the bidet.
Not right now.
And
this
not
instant.
together.
Tonight.
together.
Tonight.
We'll go one cheap.
Separately.
I
Please stand.
Answered the phone with it's the soup base is so good.
Left. Turns out we go right. Perfect.
This is adorable.
Ash, you're gonna love these crying shots.
Okay, can you guys actually stay? I'm going all the way back there.
Not a fan of squid.
The door line and the only the stuff.
These are the snackies I got. Lachlan and I have sore throats, and I'm hoping that it goes away tomorrow. But grilled rice ball, it smells delicious. Oh, okay. And then the outside's grilled.
That was so
Inside plain rice. Day 2. Lachlan and I are sick.
I'm not.
Lily's
I'm
not.
not.
Jackson's
We're
not.
good.
The Todd jeans.
Hopefully, we stay good.
I've got a mask.
And we have a list of chemist items.
Yeah.
To Kevin.
And it's thank you, Kevin. And you, I'm sure. I've got a mask to help humidify the cold air. It's a lot colder today.
It actually is.
It's quite nice. Here's my little fit.
Sugar iced. Yeah, sugar
I
iced.
think we're going. No, it's okay. We're going to some old fish market. Don't know. And then Akihabara. Interesting stuff. Oh, this might be annoying.
Yeah, I'm not vlogging anymore. I'm just taking over Ashley's channel.
Back to life. That's good.
G6?
Yeah,
but it's where the
station. Yeah.
Our night session, and we are going to Akihabara.
Yes.
And there's some interesting things there, and we're excited. And I'm still feeling very sick. I'm also wearing my ring on my right hand because we need to get resized.
This must be.
Heading back up to the room. We just had dinner at this skewer place, and we ordered like an assortment of skewers, and it was like chicken heart, chicken liver, chicken aorta, chicken wing. It was weird, to say the least. Oh, Jackson's here. Day 3, and I'm feeling disgusting. Jackson and I bought our wedding bands. That's crazy.
Look what I bought a tart.
We are visiting this temple, and we're being very respectful, obviously.
I'm not. I'm here to disrupt. I'm not. We're waiting 2 hours though for you.
Yes, thank you. I lost my train of thought. And I am sick as a dog. As a dog. We're in Kyoto at Ace Hotel, and I don't know what we're doing today. We're going to like some temples or something.
Some sort of temples, some shopping, maybe riding bikes, but we'll see. I think I'm now sick. These two.
I'm getting better.
They're getting better.
I'm getting better. Thank you. Was it on the floor?
Yeah.
I thought. We're at Blue Bottle, and I got a hot lemonade, and you got?
Smash bread.
I don't know what hot lemonade is, but I think it'd be good for my throat. Kodos. Kodos.
Cocoa donut.
Sorry, no. Get this one.
Oh, that's the shirt.
I bought this hat today. Jackson likes it. And now my hat, my jacket, and this bag are all the same material.
Material.
Options.
Oh, support Ukraine.
Both of you are cool ones.
Okay.
Is mine on the thing?
Yeah, those was that one.
Mine's down the bottom.
Yours is cool.
Those was a cool one.
What's the percent?
Hey, Sam, put camembert in this.
Hey. Mute as usual.
I got the.
Yummy. This is our lowest point that we've been. Always on the ground. Lachlan's dead. Jackson's dead. I'm 1000% dead. Good morning. We're in Osaka and this is our little house. But I've been silent on the vlog because we've all been deathly ill. I'm just getting that out because I'm having a cough attack. Siren noise. This is.
I mean, I didn't expect to be at.
We are back in Tokyo and we are on our way to get Moss Burger for dinner. Lachlan's back in the room. He is still sick and Lily is accompanying him. And so we're just hanging out.
I'm barely hanging on.
Jackson's recovering and so am I, to be honest. I still have a very bad cough, but feeling okay. And I'm very dizzy for some reason. We're back in Tokyo and we're alive and well. Woo! I still have a cough, but it's not bad. I feel good. This is my outfit today because every other day I've been boiling hot, so I'm gonna give this a go, but I might freeze. We shall see. Lachlan and Lily at the doctor, but we're meeting up with them sometime. I don't know when. I don't know.
It's just gonna be really hot.
Oh, sure. The drinky.
I saw part of it. 3, 2, 1.
Whoa! What are
yours
these?
is sick. I just got a seat. I'm on the table. I'm thinking about.
Look at my screen.
is now going to be unlocked.
I'm very excited about being here. And so are you. The handles as well. Everything.
おはようございます。ただいまホーム上に
Oh, Jacko's Aquarius.
I think. Chocolate orange stick. Yummy. Apple tea soda. Delicious. Also good. Jackson's too tall. He has to wear this. Don't know what else. We haven't been to the Aladdin area though. It does. That's curry popcorn for sure. Oh, that looks kind of fun. Oh, the Christmas tree.
Chatty Minnie. Chatty's country's falling apart.